Who wants to dig in? Who wants to dig in? I do. You know, you want to have a party. It's getting near football, tailgating. You got to bring some food items for a party. Well, you got a griddle in the backyard. And this is Big Papa's grilled cheese. I find that grilled cheese, which is what we're going to cook today, everybody likes. There's better ways to cook them, and I'm going to show you the way I like to use it. Number one, we're using a straight white bread. This has to be Bimbo, which is big in the Hispanic markets, but Wonder, Bimbo, anything, it toasts better. The other thing I want to talk to you about is not butter to toast it with. Don't think I'm crazy, but it's mayonnaise. And I'll tell you, I like Best Foods a lot. I think it's Hellman's. Duke's works great too. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put mayonnaise on all this. Then we're going to turn them over. Then we're going to put the ingredients, which today I'm featuring something I'm very excited about. It's New School American cheese. The big Tesla Cafe in LA uses it. All the James Beard Smashburger places out here use it. It's a chef who's come up with American cheese, and it's made with pretty much butter, cream, and cheddar cheese, but the melt is outstanding. Taste is great. So we're going to use New School cheese, Old School bread, then we're going to have some bacon ones, and then we're going to have some pimento cheese ones. So I'm going to start by getting some mayonnaise in the back here. Now when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you get all the corners and all the sides, because that really likes to toast up. You can use parchment paper under this. I'm just using foil. Last one, always the hardest. Now, I'm going to take my spatula. We'll come back and fill in the ones that need it. Okay, now this is the outside. I don't put any mayonnaise on the inside or any butter. Now, Papa, why are you using mayonnaise instead of butter? And I'm going to tell you, it's just like a lot of the oils that I talk about using on the griddle, is the mayonnaise has got a higher burn point. You will not taste the mayonnaise, but you'll end up with a better, crispier crunch, and it won't burn while you're waiting for the cheese to melt. So I highly recommend that. Like I said, I like those corners and edges. So we're going to come back here and backfill the ones that don't have enough. It's not that much, it just looks like it. Now we don't want it gooping, we want it nice and covered. So that's why I'm using this spatula like. New School cheese, Old School bread. Kind of fun. Let me just get this right here. If you try it, you won't get mad at me. You won't think I've lost my mind. You'll think, God, I learned something from that guy, that talking head Papa. Now, the other reason why I'm putting maybe a little more on this side, because I'm about to turn it over. And when I turn it over, it's going to go to the foil. We're going to lose some of it. So here we go. The thing comes right together now. 2 slices per sandwich are coming up. I'm doing 12 sandwiches, so it's really easy. Cut it in half, and it's 24 sandwiches. I'm going to build a little tower. Should look pretty great. Okay, let's do 4 bacons. I want to spread the bacon evenly. Get this cheese out here. Start laying it out good. Sometimes you can put the bacon in between the cheese. I'm just doing 2 slices on each. Okay, we got those. Now I'm a little worried about this pimento cheese. It's going to get messy. I'm just warning you. So in the meantime, I'm just going to build these 5 regulars, 4 bacons. We're almost there, kids. Don't worry. Don't worry. Papa's in charge here. He's got a license for this. Now, as I told you, when you're doing these in your griddle, it's 300 degrees, okay? Because you want to make sure that you give the cheese a chance to melt and you don't over toast the bread, aka burn. You know, I just love pimento cheese. Believe it or not, I hate to name drop like this, but really the first time I had it that I loved it was at Augusta for the Masters, you know, the big major golf tournament. So we got 1 each there. So we're going to take this pimento cheese and just a little spoonful. We're going to have to smash it on there. Okay, how's that look, kids? Now we're almost done. On the top, got the pimento cheese here. We're going to lay one on top of it. Now, like I said, you got to come over, you got to bring, you know, party for football or potluck. This is great, and just get a crock pot of tomato soup. You can do Campbell's. You can doctor it up, or you can make your own. But man, the tower of cheese with some nice hot soup on one of those football days is phenomenal. So I'm just going to finish this. I'm going to put the mayonnaise on them. Gotta get this started here. Now it looks messy. It's actually not. Okay, kids. Next thing you're going to see is Papa's tower of grilled cheese. We're out here with the grilled cheese. We'll line them up better as we get going here. It's 4 minutes. So we're going to set our timer. Okay, we're going to put 2 whole pans over them to melt. Okay? Siri 2-minute timer. Okay, let's pull these off. Start doing a quick flip. We're going to need these again. So here we go. We didn't even cheat, and look at them. A little hotter in the center, but that's not bad. It's not burned. It's actually how I like it. We're just going to need about 2 minutes here on the other side. Line them up so we can use this whole pan as a melting dome. Okay. Siri, 2-minute timer. Okay, kids. This took about 7 minutes. Okay, let's go inside and plate it up. Okay, we just did the Big Papa grilled cheese study. Let's take a look at these things really quickly. That's called grilled cheese for days. Look at that. Done on the griddle, super easy. Now let's load the plate up. This is going to be the tower of grilled cheese. Okay, like I said, we got plain grilled cheese. Tower of grilled cheese. You thought nobody could do this. In fact, you never thought about this. Of course, neither did I. Until it came to me one night. Tough being an artiste. The tower of grilled cheese. Who wants to dig in? Who wants to dig in? I do. There we go, kids. Grilled cheese a la Papa.